In Settings, all iPhone users can view the storage space of their device. Sometimes, some users encounter some problems when viewing iPhone storage, such as iPhone storage apps not loading, iPhone storage categories not loading, iPhone storage pages not loading, and so on. Fortunately, in this video, we will introduce a very good system repair tool, MagFone iOS System Recovery, to fix iPhone storage not loading. Step 1. Connect iPhone to computer and open MagFone. To begin with, you can connect your iPhone to a computer with a USB cable, then start MagFone iOS System Recovery on the computer and enter the iOS System Repair mode. Proceed to click the Start button. Step 2. Go to Select Standard Repair to fix iPhone issues. Select the Standard Repair mode to fix the iOS system issues. Then you'll find your device is detected by MagFone software. If not detecting your device, you have to put your device into recovery mode by following the on-screen instruction. Step 3. Download and verify the firmware package for iPhone. You need to check the device information like the device model and model number before downloading the firmware package. When there is something wrong, you can manually correct. Then click the Download button to download the firmware package. Step 4. Start to fix iPhone storage not loading with one click. After downloading the firmware package to the computer, you can click the Start Standard Repair button. MagFone software will unzip the firmware and start fixing the issue. During the process, keep your device connected to the computer. Conclusion: now that you know how to fix iPhone storage not loading, if you want to quickly and efficiently resolve this issue using MagFone iOS System Recovery,